Students, in our previous lesson or previous video, we were discussing about aquatic plants. In that, we were discussing about the types of aquatic plants. Out of that, free floating aquatic plants means the plants that remain on the surface of water. Those plants we have already discussed. Through this video, we will move towards the second type, that is rooted aquatic plants with floating leaves. We will discuss about rooted aquatic plants. Like in this picture, you could see roots are present up to the bottom and leaves are floating on the water. So let's see rooted aquatic plants with floating leaves. Rooted, it means the stem is reaching to the bottom, and floating leaves means the leaves are present on the surface of the water. If you would have observed lotus or water lily, these are the examples of this type, lotus or water lily. Can you observe these two diagrams? The first picture shows water lily. The second picture is of lotus plant. In that, you could clearly see the leaves are broad spreaded on the surface of the water, but the roots of the plant are present deep inside the water. Like this. It means you could see here leaves on the surface and the roots deep inside the up to the bottom. This is the second type. So let's see the features of this plant one by one. In this type of the plant, roots of these plants are fixed to the soil, but their leaves float on the water. Now just I have shown you the picture. In that you have already observed how the structure of the plant is there. Like this. It means roots of these plants are fixed to the soil, but their leaves float on water. These plants having the long stalks, obviously as it touches the bottom, it will have long stalk up to the bottom of the water. Long stalk, you could see here. This is the stalk. This is the long stalk. Leaves have oily coating which keeps it waterproof. It means that इस प्लांट्स के जो लीव्स होते हैं वो पूरी तरह पानी में रहने के बावजूद खराब नहीं होते हैं, क्योंकि उनमें ऑयली कोटिंग होती है. अगर आप लंबे समय के लिए या 1 घंटे से ऊपर अपने हाथ और पैर पानी में डालते हो तो आपकी बॉडी पर रिंकल्स आ जाते हैं पानी में रहने की वजह से. तो उसी तरह इन प्लांट्स की जो लीव्स होती है वो भी खराब हो सकती है, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं होता है क्योंकि उनमें ऑयली कोटिंग होती है, और ये ऑयली कोटिंग कोई करता नहीं है, तो नेचुरली क्रिएटेड ऑयली कोटिंग. दिस इज़ अ naturally created oily coating. So this is about your second type, rooted aquatic plants with floating leaves. So what is the example? Lotus, water lily. What are the features? Roots of these plants are fixed to the soil, but their leaves float on the water. रूट्स भले ही पानी में बॉटम तक फिक्स होती हैं सॉइल में, लेकिन लीव्स जो होती है वो पानी के ऊपर होती है, फ्री फ्लोटिंग। लॉन्ग स्टॉक्स, इन प्लांट्स के स्टॉक या स्टेम लंबी होती है टू टच द सॉइल सरफेस। लीव्स हैव ऑयली कोटिंग विच कीप्स इट वाटरप्रूफ। लीव्स के ऊपर ऑयली कोटिंग होती है जिसकी वजह से वह खराब नहीं होती है और वाटरप्रूफ बनी रहती है। दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द सेकेंड टाइप ऑफ एक्वेटिक प्लांट with floating leaves.